the baby and to see I told you.
Attacked. The hospital says the family wishes to remain anonymous.
I tell you, nurses are angels, aren't they?
They
just really do the work of angels. All right, let's talk about what's happening in the central part of the country. Tornadoes now we know have touched down in at least 22 states in the past week and a half. And look at that. That whole big thing out there, that was a twister. Thursday night, a tornado left a path of destruction. And look at this. There's nothing standing. This is all across northeast Kansas. No deaths, thankfully, have been reported, but more than a dozen people were hurt as a result of all of this. Just tough to look at.
Yeah, because that all represents lives just destroyed there.
And they need a break, and yet here we are talking about it again, and they're under the gun again out there.
Yeah, we are, and in our area, too, we're tracking some strong to severe storms. In fact, we have a severe thunderstorm warning right now remaining for Anne Arundel County. We're not expecting that. But, yeah, it's just kind of crazy. We need at least a little bit of a break. It's typically the time of year that we do see a lot of these storms, but it's been kind of ridiculous here as of late. We're looking from Pentagon City up to the northwest or northeast. I want to show you this in a moment. 90 degrees right now is the temperature in D.C., 90 in Chantilly. We have some 80s from Gaithersburg down to Leonardtown where you're at 88 degrees. But where we're watching is up to our northeast. Look at this cell right there. That's the one that developed through parts of Montgomery County, raced across Prince George's County, and is now in Anne Arundel County. The warning has just is tapering off. North of Annapolis is where the warning is. So this one is just racing along at 45 miles per hour, capable of producing winds that are in excess of 58 miles per hour. But this is the Bay Bridge. Our camera's right here in Stevensville, looking this direction. Look at this shot. You can see the rain pouring out of this storm, and that's what we're seeing. All of this right here is very heavy rainfall that's falling from that particular storm. And then you see behind it, beautiful. You know, clouds start breaking up. It's some low clouds out here. It's our network of cameras around the DMV. We're able to take you into the storm and take a look at that. So that is what we are watching right now as we look at our hour by hour. We're not expecting a ton. If we were going to see it, I think we would have been seeing a lot more by this time. But over the next several hours, even though this model shows literally nothing over our area, not totally biting into that, I am going to watch this with a very cautious eye. I think that potential is going to be there for at least the next couple of hours through 8, 9 o'clock. That when these storms bubble up, because we're still hours away from sunset, and that's that added energy, when they bubble up, they can quickly get up to severe level. That one in Anne Arundel County, I mean, it went from nothing to severe in about, at least the warning, in about 30 minutes. Now, tomorrow, as we head on out the door, look at these numbers. By 9 o'clock, mid and upper 70s to near 80. Tomorrow's forecast, very similar to what we had today. You're going to go outside. If you work outside, you know how sticky it is out there. It's going to be another sticky day tomorrow. Taking the kids out to play, they're going to be sweating, even at 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. Shorts and T-shirt day for the kiddos by far. It's going to be a very hot day, up near 90 degrees again. Afternoon, evening storms potentially popping around the area. We're going to be tracking that as we go into that 2 to 3 p.m. through about 8 to 9 p.m. time frame. Once again tomorrow, the big difference with tomorrow versus today, we have a cold front that's going to move through the area, and that is going to be an extra piece of an extra ingredient to help generate lift. You need lift to ultimately get clouds and then, of course, storms. That lifting mechanism will be there tomorrow, so I think our weather potential, our storm potential is greater tomorrow than it is out there right now. Right now, it's just kind of things bubbling about, so we'll keep our eyes on that. Weather alert day for you. Again, tomorrow we are in the marginal or slight risk, depending on where you are. The farther north you are, the greater chance for some stronger to severe storms. Then some pop-up stuff for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but we'll keep our eyes on those storms tonight and again tomorrow. You're watching ABC 7 here at 6. We'll be right back.
When you say you want all hands on deck for your next crab feast, make sure you're clear which deck.
My dental problems started as a child. Had a lot of cavities, root canals. Eating anything cold, it would hurt so bad. With dentures, they never fit properly. My confidence was really down. Always covering my face when I laughed. So I went in for a free consultation with Clear Choice.
People come in with bad teeth or no teeth, and in one day, leave with the smile that they are looking for.
The Clear Choice one-day approach is making dental implants a reality for people all over the country who suffer from missing or failing teeth.
They put these beautiful teeth in my mouth, and I can eat ice cream.